Hey guys, how you doing today? I'm Dr. Stephen Akintayo, and I want to use this opportunity to thank every single investor that has worked with Gvest, particularly our Nigerian African business since we started 3 years ago. We gave opportunity to people to invest, and we were going to be giving them return on investment. You'll be glad to know that in the last 3 years, we've been able to give our investors over 516 million naira, mostly return on investment, and some of them, returning back the initial amount they invested with us. And this is just our African business alone. This year alone, we've given out over 176 million naira in return on investment, and mostly a few, people that the maturity of their capital was due also got their money back. We still feel we're at the beginning phase of this. I still believe a time will come when we'll announce 516 billion naira return on investment and capital to investors. Join to attend online. For those of you who are not even in Nigeria and can't make it in Nigeria, this is an opportunity. But I can assure you, we're working on Houston version, working on London version, okay, and hopefully gradually we'll do some other countries of the world. I can't wait to see you. I love you. God bless you.